Lesson 8, Part 4. Vocab. First, akai, red. Kono ringo wa akakute amai desu. This apple is red and quite sweet. Second, aoi, blue. Aoi sora wa kirei desu. Blue sky is pretty. Third, sakura, cherry. Haru no kisetsu ni sakura ga sakimasu. Sakura flowers bloom in spring. Fourth, yama, mountain. Fuji-san wa takai yama desu. Mountain Fuji is a tall mountain. Fifth, machi, town, city. Tokyo wa nigiyaka na machi desu. Tokyo is a lively city. Sixth, tabemono, food. Nihon no tabemono wa oishii desu. Japanese cuisine is delicious. Seventh, tokoro, place. Shizuka na tokoro e ikitai desu. I want to go to a quiet place. Eighth, ryo, dormitory. Ryo ni daremo imasen. There is nobody in the dormitory. Ninth, restaurant, restaurant. Kono restaurant no ryori wa totemo oishii desu. This restaurant's food is very delicious. 10th, seikatsu, life. Nihon no seikatsu wa tanoshii desu. Life in Japan is fun. Grammar point 7. N1 wa donna entu desu ka? Donna modifies a noun and is an interrogative used for inquiring about the state or nature of a person, thing, etc. Example, Nara wa donna machi desu ka? Furui machi desu. What kind of town is Nara? It's an old town.